explain to our friends and beloved. It's a common IG feeling that we cannot do that. But I think also that we are not so much aware of the potential that we have just being part of this network. If you think big and if you want to act big, if you want to make an impact, something that is very common, IJ is the best place to be. IJ is just the right environment. IJ gives you the tools, the inspiration, the sharing of the best practices, everything you need if you have an idea, if you have a project, if you have a dream, that you can just make it. And this is pretty obvious. I mean, this is the idea of success. Just believe you can do something, you will achieve that. And that's pretty obvious. But the thing is, I wrote something about it, is that the attitude of being positive just gives you the power to do everything. If you believe you can do something, the how to do will come, will develop right after. I had 3 years experience, and I gained, like many people, years, skills, dreams, projects that I made, that we made, just because we believed on that. And an example of this is Agora Catania. For us it was a massive challenge. Catania is famous probably in the network for its summer university. Despite the skepticism, which is all about just alcohol, madness, and dance. Of course, this is common thoughts in IJ, but IJ Catania is also about giving love. If you speak to whoever was an event in Catania, if it was an old member, a young member, a party animal, a very peaceful guy, boys or girls, they were happy because they felt being part of a family. And it's easily being part of a family means something really important. It's giving love, is giving emotions to these people. So why we decided to commit and to think big, to face such a challenge like Agora? We did it because making happy people for us was a worthy reason to argue with the chair team, was a good reason to speak with Reka for many times and fix the budgets, and it will be a nightmare to argue with all you participants because we want to make you happy but we cannot give you everything. That was our reason, and we all done together. We are gonna face every single challenge that needs to be done because we are thinking big and we really want to make an unforgettable event. We're just people. None of us is involved in event organization. None of us will get a personal return from this experience. None of us. It's just for the passion and the pleasure to do it. It's the same passion that in Bologna, which is a just reborn antenna, we developed in a project that is called L'amore ti dona, love gives you. Because love is another great key of thinking big. Love can really unlock energy and strength that you couldn't achieve otherwise. L'amore ti dona in Bologna, it was a project about blood donors. So we contacted the local institution and donations to make events, to make people collect blood and also to give information. We just refunded the antenna and we just wanted to do something to make an impact. Without IJ, I think we couldn't do it. So I invite you to strive for your dreams, to be active, and to challenge all these steps that brings to a result. All these commitments, anxiety, stress, discouragement, all the time that you want to give up. In IJ, it's the perfect environment. You will be supported to do that. So that's my inspired talk was about that. And to close about thinking big and love, I invite everyone to think big in IJ, but to do it with love. Because IJ gave me a lot of things, gave me a lot of experience, a lot of memories. I think I gave something back, I hope so. But I got a bit distant from IJ recently because what I see, what we all see, is that sometimes love is missing when you think too big. And this is something that shouldn't happen. Some moments, some tension that was in this event, despite that otherwise would have been amazing. It's something that really shouldn't happen. So we hope that Agora Catania can be, let's say, the Agora of love, like a new point to start back and to stick to our values, to the values of this association, which is respect, union, integration, and love. Thank you.